New in tonight's COVID-19 watch, a grim milestone. Tennessee crossing 1 million reported COVID-19 cases with more than 13,000 deaths. That's according to the Department of Health. This comes as hospitals are quickly filling with COVID-19 patients, with rapid spread also happening among school-aged children. News 2's Capitol Newsroom reporter Gerald Harris spoke with Tennessee doctors.
For some, the last year and a half has been more than tough.
I think that this whole thing has been crazy. That scares me in and of itself.
So the news of Tennessee passing 1 million reported COVID-19 cases worries folks like Anita French, whose dad died of COVID-19.
I've had 2 other family members die of it in the last year. We've had 4 to 5 other family members in the hospital with it. My mom literally has to stay in hospice now, or in a nursing home now.
Frontline doctors say the 1 million case number is likely an underestimation.
Crossing the milestone of over 1 million victims of COVID-19 is a grim one. That's basically 1 out of every 7 people in the state having been diagnosed with COVID-19, let alone the fact that many people who have had COVID have not been tested and didn't know that they had it.
The increase in cases has sent thousands of students home in recent days. Doctors say every step must be taken to slow the spread.
For everyone over age of 12, this is now a preventable disease. So our vaccines are effective and they are safe. And we now have one that has full FDA approval for 12 and up.
But with no mass mitigation plans in place and a 41% vaccination rate ranking near the bottom of all states, doctors say things are bound to get worse.
We know from patterns that we're right now in the middle of a very steep surge. Our numbers currently in pediatric COVID cases in Tennessee, according to Tennessee Department of Health, is the highest it has ever been.
We sent both of our children back to school this year, and my daughter has been home, has had to have the COVID test twice in 3 weeks because 4 children in her classroom have been diagnosed with COVID just since school started back.
Nearly all COVID-19 deaths in hospitals now have been among the unvaccinated. Gerald Harris, News 2.
Well, as of Tuesday, a little more than 41% of Tennesseans have been fully vaccinated. Davidson County is nearly at 101,000 confirmed cases, just behind Memphis at nearly 120,000. Again, there have been over 1 million confirmed cases in Tennessee.